I have HUAWEI Mate 20 Pro, and let me show you how to insert here the Nano SIM card. So at the very beginning, let's start by pressing the power key. Let's choose power off and touch power off just to confirm the operation. Then you need to find the slot. The slot is located right here at the bottom of the device. So here I have the slot. Let's open the slot by using the eject tool, or for example some thumper tag. Here I have the simple thumper tag. Let's just open this tray. Now let's remove the whole thing from your device. And as you can see here, you can insert the Nano SIM card, and you may also insert here the special SD card, the special memory card. So in my case, let me just insert the Nano SIM card right here. Here I have the card with the appropriate edge right here. Let's put this card in that position. And now let's place the whole thing into your device. Let me do it again. Alright. And let's put the whole thing into your phone. Press it to the end. And simply switch on the device to check out if the card is working properly. The Mate 20 Pro is switching on. Alright, let's unlock the screen. And now you can choose settings. You can choose here wireless and network, tap dual SIM settings. As you can see, the device is reading the SIM card. And as you can see, you can also insert the second SIM card if you would like to use it instead of your memory card. So that's it, everything went well. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.